Yo, what's up, Ghana? What's up, Sark Nation? What's up, BT? So for a minute, the package is in. It's been sitting here. Finally, I'm here. I'm about to see it. I want you guys to have the experience to see, finally, the best international flow award. You know, for Ghana. I won't even say for Sarkodie, for Ghana. We're about to see it for the first time. Shouts to BT. Finally, I'm about to see it. You know. Packaging is crazy. Come, man. You need to see everything, bro. Wow. This is heavy. Okay. I know they want to keep it safe. I love this. Yo, help me out with this one. Let's get through this one. Yeah, man. Gold. We're about to see it. You ready? Sark Nation, God bless you. Thank you so much, man. Woo! Now let me see that first. That is really to be too much. So this is what I will use stick wipe up. Feel me? How did the thing heavy? Whoa. So guys, finally we have it here. Shouts to BET, shouts to the fans, Sark Nation, to Ghana. This is for Africa, best international flow. To all the young ones coming up, you know, just keep working hard. You're gonna get more than this. You know what time it is. So be the Pompey. Now.